I'm Gary Machiros, the owner of Applied Automotive Technology.
My dad had a gas station in Peabody, Mass. And I grew up in the garage. And one of the things I always had, and I still have to this day, is I had this thirst for knowledge. I always liked to learn. I started learning how to fix tires, how to unbolt things and bolt things together. Our family moved to Plum Island off the coast of Massachusetts. It was a summertime place where people were there, and then once the fall hit, you might see one car come on the island every hour. It was desolate. And my dad bought a garage there. When I got out of school, I had to go to the shop and help my dad. So I'm rebuilding carburetors on the bench, and I'm working in the shop, and I'm looking at the marsh, and I'm watching where all the ducks land. I'd walk out, I'd shoot a couple of ducks, take me about 20 minutes, and I'd come back, and I'd have dinner for the night. Then when I was 18, I took over the shop. That's when the technology started coming in of electronics, and I needed to learn about it. So I started investigating courses at night and going to school and learning everything I can. And then I started becoming so interested in it that I thought I had the ability to teach it.
I spent time overseas, traveling for General Motors and doing training for them. And I also spent many years traveling to different parts of the country doing training at seminars and lectures. I've written several training manuals.
So I started getting into ADAS about 7 years ago, because you had all this new technology, but you needed the tools to diagnose it, right? There's all these technicians and shop owners, and they're buying this equipment, and they got to figure out how to use it. So that's what I would do. I would build that bridge.
And that's how Applied Automotive Technology started. We're training on the equipment we sell, and our goal is to make sure that that person is totally comfortable with the equipment. They have a great understanding of it. They have some place to reach out if they have a problem.
I started when there was no help, there was no tech support, there was just 2 frames, and we spent a lot of painful hours, figuring out how to calibrate cars. So all the pain that we learned and all those experiences and everything that we've done is here for us to share. You're proud of yourself.
No, I'm not.
You were right, but were you correct for the right reason? There have been so many changes in the automotive industry in my career. And every time there's change, there's opportunity. And if you just look at those changes and say, how can I benefit from it? What can I learn from it? How much better can I be with learning this change? It's about training, and it's about relationships and helping people. That's my vision. So when someone comes to me and they want to buy a piece of ADAS equipment, they're going to talk to somebody that is actually doing ADAS calibrations for body shops, and we are doing this every day. I live their world and can relate to it. And generally, because we're doing it every day, when they call us and they have a problem, a lot of times we've run across it and we have the answer because we've been there and done that. I like the technology. It's new, it's exciting, and it's just going to grow.
Big cheers to beginnings.
Happy launch day. The prediction is that the ADAS business will grow by 40 or 50% in the next 4 or 5 years. And I think the more people we help to get on board with it, the better off everybody's going to be.